Good morning everybody, welcome back to Call Your Paul. Right, as you can see, the pond is blocked. Finally. Right, I did a little chat with the builder. I'm going to put that in. He talks a little bit about the bits what he did, a few bits what he didn't enjoy, and a few bits what he did enjoy as well. So, right, that's what it is. So I'm with John with the builder now. This is what the pond's looking like. So we'll go over and have a chat with John.
Hello. All right. Right, we got 9-inch blockwork. We've got rebar set into the concrete pad, going vertically all the way up, all the way to this course. Also, we've got horizontal bar, as you can see there, and that's tied all the way around every course from the bottom to the top. That's the last course for this bit. We've got a 100mm block laid flat on here, which will come into about there. And that's about it really. 10-inch concrete pad, reinforced. Yeah, what do you want to know?
So is there anything you enjoyed about doing it or didn't enjoy doing about it? Or
Can't say too much, can I? No, I've enjoyed it actually. It's been different for me to do something other than just the blockwork for an extension or a house. Yeah, and it's not very often you get to do 9-inch blockwork with all the rebar in it, so that's been different. That's been good. But yeah, I haven't really disliked it. I've quite enjoyed it. Yeah, it's been good.
that's brilliant.
Yeah, might do another one. Who knows?
Right, well that's how the pond's looking, so we'll see you again. Alright, so this is a plan I've drawn of a pond. 2485 down the left hand side and the right hand side. This is internal. 2715 along the back, same at the front. We've got an 1810 window going in here, 1810 long. The window is, well, the gap is 810, so yeah, it's about 800 window. The bio chamber at the back here is a bit more what I'm going to talk about today as well. So it's 1800 long, 680 front to back, and it's 1400 deep. Along the back there you can see 4 little dots of paint. These are going to be the returns, 2-inch returns into the pond. There's no rebar in this section, so we're safe to drill through there. So what we're going to have, where you can see lines going down, they're going to section off the bio chamber. The holes are going to go in the back there for the 1-inch pressure pipe to come through, which is there. That's going to be the air lines. All the fittings I've got now, so I can start doing those. The skimmer's built into the wall, I finished that off. So we'll take you around the back and we'll have a look there now. Right, so at the back of the pond again now. This is where the skimmer comes through. I've still got to drill a 4-inch hole there and either a 1.5 or a 2-inch hole for the outlet, for the overflow there. There's going to be, inside here, there will be 2 baskets, 2 skimmer baskets. I can just pull the leaves out of those. In the corner here, I'm also going to do auto top up with 3 little probes. One will stay permanently in the water, one will be the minimum to which the hot water drops to, and one will be the maximum. So once it goes below the middle one, which is the minimum amount of water, the solenoid will open up, bring it back up to the top pin, and then turn it off again, close it valve. Okay, as you can see here, we've got the bio chamber. The plan here is the air line, which is this one here, 1-inch pipe for the bottom drain dome. It's going to come up somewhere around here. Right, let me just turn this around a sec. So it's going to come up on this left hand line here. On the right hand line is going to be the bio air. 2 air pumps will be around here. Shelf here, air pump, There's going to be 5 valves, a valve here, sorry, 3 valves and 2 non-return valves probably. Bore valve here, a T-piece with a bore valve here so I can direct wherever I want the airflow to go, so I could use 2 air pumps essentially for the bottom drain, or 2 for the bio, or 1 for either, depending on how the air looks once it's in. Okay, so you can see where the air lines are going to come down. 2 down here, 1 will come at a right angle into this pipe here, so I'll cut that off around there, bring it up there and along there. The one's going to come down there, across here, along there and up the side here. There'll be 4 valves along there to control each individual line going to the bio. The bio chamber at the moment. As you can see the sections, there's going to be 7 domes in there, 2 in the first section, which is going to be Japanese matting with 2 returns through the wall. Next section is the middle section is going to be K1, aerated K1. That will have another 2 returns through the wall and 2 air lines coming through the wall, as it's going to be a bigger section. The end here, we're going to split a section here on the right hand side for media sorts of clamshells, things like that, for pH buffers. In the left hand side here, we're going to have a pump chamber. You always want to add things in a few years time, so it's always good to have a room to put a pump in your sump bit afterwards. Right, so I've just popped into my gazebo where I'm installing all my pipe fittings at the moment. For the flow returns through the wall from the bio chamber to the pond, what I'm planning to do is use cage filters like this. An adaptable one side, plain 2-inch to BSP thread. Screw the cage in. Here's one I made earlier. So what my plan is to have 4 of these inside the bio chamber vertically up like this. So there'll be 2-inch pipe coming horizontally through the wall with a 2-inch 90-degree bend on it, a short piece of pipe, and then a vertical cage. I'm hoping the vertical cage will stop a lot of the air bubbles and stuff escaping back into the pond. I'm not too worried if some do, because it is good to get air midway through the water as well. I won't be running the bottom drain air all the time, only on a timer. So I know a lot of people say it shouldn't really be done at depth ponds with a deep pond, but we'll see how it goes. If not, there's always bits I can change. I can put, say, an air bar in the back there, but we'll see how it goes. A bit of a mess with all my fittings in here at the moment. I've got 4 bore valves, 3 in here, 1's outside, 2 for the bottom drain, 2 for the skimmer. I'm going to put a purge on each one. The drain on the skimmer does come down quite far and back up, so I don't want it settling in the pipe. So yeah, if you've got any comments about the way I want to do my returns, if you think there's a better way, or if I'm doing it wrong, if I'm doing it right, let us know. I obviously don't want to drill 2-inch cores through a pond wall until I know that I definitely can do it. I spoke to a company called Easy Pond about fiberglass in a pond as well, supplying and possibly installing a window for me. So I'm waiting to hear back from them. I have spoke to them regarding bringing pipes through the wall to put this on, and I'm still waiting to hear back whether I can or not. So if you know whether I can or can't, that'd be great if you could let me know. Okay? Right, so we're back at the back of the pond now. As the bottom drain pipe comes up, it's going to come towards me with a 90-degree this way, 45 this way. The skimmer line I'm going to bring straight down here with a 90, parallel to the pond wall, 45 to bring it parallel to the bottom drain pipe, and then a 45 to bring it this way so it's parallel still with this pipe here. So both the 4-inch skimmer and 4-inch bottom drain pipe will be parallel at the same height together. The concrete pad will then be cast above it, so the 2 4-inch pipes are inside the concrete slab. my plan is to have the concrete slab ending around here somewhere, with the two 4-inch pipes coming straight out of the side of the slab. There's going to be a T just before the end, so on each one. The vertical will be coming up to the drum. As they come out the slab, there will be a ball valve on each to purge the pipes, with a T on this one, a 90 on that one. Bring it round down there. I may put a adapter onto this to bring the 2-inch overflow into the same drain pipe and into a sub down there. So what we're going to do is we'll have the two T's down here, 4-inch T's, two bore valves here as well, with the flexies into the drum so it can be undone. Drums, they do go wrong, so you do need to be able to take them off, as well as pumps, bits like that. Right then, so a plan for me now is to get all the pipe work in for the bottom drains, all the air lines to the bio, get it all plumbed up. That will be in the next update to come. Hopefully within a week I will post the next update, hopefully. Right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so you can check out my next videos. There's 2 more previous to this one. This is the 3rd in the series, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.